Hey everyone, Instructor Cory here. So in this video, we're going to show you some differences in your braking technique, something you definitely want to work on and practice endlessly. You can't get good enough at it, right? So we got the bike down there. We got a cone here, this large one. This is going to be where we start our braking. And then we have those little cones there lined up to represent the obstacle, another vehicle pulling in front of you at an intersection, something like that. Whatever it is, you want to make sure and stop prior to hitting that obstacle. So we're going to try and get up to speed. We're going to do a couple different takes on speed. We'll start out first at 8 miles per hour. Once I reach the cone, I can begin braking. We'll see how long it takes me to stop. Also, then we're going to speed up and get up to around 15 miles per hour or so. Same thing, start braking at the cone. And then we'll get up to 20 miles an hour and start braking at the cone. We'll see the difference in braking distances and stopping distances. And then we'll also show some differences in braking technique. Smooth braking all the way through compared to threshold braking and those in between. Maybe even a little too much braking, abrupt braking resulting in a skid. So check it out. Assistant here is going to throw a cone down. That's fine. I'm going to throw a cone down here to represent where my front tire is and how long it took me, how much distance it took me to stop. That was right around 8-9 miles per hour. So let's see what it looks like going a little faster. Time I was doing around 15 miles per hour. Notice a little bit of increased distance in my stopping. I'm still trying to use pretty good braking here. Not super threshold braking, but decent standard braking. Let's see what it looks like 20 miles an hour. Actually looking kind of even as we're increasing our speed by about 5 miles an hour each time. About 10, 15, 20. You can see the kind of distance that we're increasing. So let's see one more. I'll try and get it up to around 25, 30 miles an hour. Let's see if I can still stop in time prior to hitting the obstacle. Braking a little bit late on that one, but this is a representation. I was up to around maybe 27, 28, maybe 30 at the end there by the time I started braking. So notice I went right through the obstacle, ended up over here before I was able to stop. On these next set, I'm going to maintain around 15 miles per hour each time, so we have a consistent variable, and I'll show you these differences in braking, and you'll see the result of how the stopping distance looks. So 15 miles per hour, different braking techniques. See which one looks the best.